Okay, let's continue homework 1 from question number 13. What do we have here? The data below represent the responses to two questions asked in a survey of 40 college students majoring in business. What is your gender, male or female, and what is your major? Accounting, computer science, information, marketing. Complete A and B. So here is we have to fill out this table. So how many was in accounting, males, computer science, marketing, and females here in the row, and then we here totalize by gender, and here we're gonna totalize by major. So let's look at our table. This is what we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4 rows. So 10 times 4, 40. Exactly, it says 40 college students. So I'm going to use Excel for this purpose. All right, I opened, let's see. I have it here, everything. So how many? We have 41 because we are going from 1. So total is 40. Everything has been transferred. So I'm highlighting the entire. What I'm going to do, I'm going to filter. First, collect all information about male or female, and then the other one. So let's see. Did I highlight them the whole column? Yes. So now from here, I'm going to settings. I'm going to sort filter, and I am seeing a home page. You have to click on home, the tab to get home page, and go to, where is it? Here, sort and filter. So I'm going to filter. Okay, here it is. I can filter it. So I'm getting, unchecking, select all and choosing, let's see, female. So first we have all information about female. So I'm going to highlight them. So I'm clicking here. See, you see here color. So first I put on accounting, okay, and then click yellow. All accountings I am coloring yellow, let's say, or you can count yourself. So I'm coloring so not miss anything. Okay, then computer science, I'm changing color using orange. So clicking, first you have to click on the cell and then click color. Cell, clicking color, okay? Keep going. And then marketing, clicking on marketing, changing on, I'm changing this green. So marketing green, marketing green. I also can collect all these columns. I selected columns, so I'm holding control button on the keyboard and clicking on all M's. See, M and M I picked up and click yellow, so it at once, on green, and at once everything became green. All right, so let's count it now. Accounting, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, computer science. We have, it's yellow, the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 5. And marketing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much we have total? So total, it's going to be, let me see, where is my formulas here? Clicking on formulas, sum, and I am clicking on 598. Done. Clicking enter and got 18. So all right, so we have total. We have total 18. All right, moving to the mail. Now I'm clicking on selection, choosing mail. All right, let's go same way, clicking on home. There we go. And I'm going to choose here. Okay, since I have green, let's go with marketing first. So I'm holding keyboard, control button on the keyboard, and then clicking on all marketing cells. Okay, I clicked, clicking on it. All right, I have it. Now, next I'm changing the color. So accounting, I want to have the same color by major, so it would be easy to calculate there. So I'm clicking control, again choosing A here, another one, and I'm getting yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this C is not included. I'm clicking on C and then clicking on color. No fill. Okay. And lastly, I'm choosing orange and holding control button and clicking all cells. Oh, I missed there A. Okay. I missed there more A's. Oh, all right, I'll fix it. Clicking and got it. So I have here this and this C orange, and I need A and A. I'm dropping yellow. All right, we got everything. So let's see. I am pushing here A, computer science, and marketing. So let's go for accounting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got it. Now computer science, I'm not using formula. I could use, for myself, I would use formula who would calculate all this. But I am going easy on you in this case. So computer science is C. It's orange. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. All right, and M, marketing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's totalize, see how much we are getting total. So I'm going to click formula, click sum. You have to click on sum at the cell where you want this formula applied. So I'm getting sum of all these majors. I want to see how many male total participate. Clicking this sum. There we go. And I'm clicking enter. So I got 22. So 22 male and 18 I had. Okay, so 18 and 22, 40, which is all correct. So this way I can make sure I didn't miss any count. So going back to our case, one thing I want to warn you, but while you are working in Excel, click often on the page of this question, so it won't update. Update the question and put another table. Okay, so we are on the filter for female. So for female we have 5, computer is 5, and marketing is 8. Okay, let's go for male now. For male we have accounting 8, computer 8, male at the marketing 6. All right, now let's totalize by male. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 6, 22. Next, female, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. All right, total I'm getting 40. Now by column, by major, 8 plus 5 is 13. So total 13 people in accounting, male and female. Computer science is 13 also, and 14. If I add them up, I should get 40. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 14 is 40. We are done. Let's check it. Fantastic. So now we need to file in the format of percentage. Okay, in the format of percentage. What we are going to do, we need to file in the form of the male, in the format of all males, and then in the format of majors. So for male, so what do we have? We have to do 8, so to find percentage, how many male in accounting, in among males. So I'm going to take 8 and divide by 22, and then computer divide, because I want to know among all males, which is 22, what percentage is doing accounting, which percentage computer science, which percentage marketing. So I have to do 8 divided by 12, 22, 8 by 22, and 6 by 22. So let's do it. Let's go here by, I have male. Okay, all right. So since I have here 22, how I'm going to write the formula so it will work for me. So here I put, to let Excel know that you are using formula, you always start with equal sign. You put equal sign and then click on this, we won't divide 8 by 22, right? So I click on this 8 and then divide by 22. Okay? And then what I'm going to do, I'm taking this, grabbing this corner and dragging. Let's check. Oh, I got division by 0. What's happening? Let me click. When you double click, it's choosing the cell. See, 8 picked up correct. 22 did not pick up, because as you drag the formula, it's taking next cell. But we don't need, in the case of 22, we don't want it to get next cell. So we want it stay 22. So what I'm going to do, I'm clicking escape. If you click button escape, this formula will be gone. So therefore, the first one we know it's correct. Divided by, see, double click by 22. So what I'm going to do, I'm going this G16, where here is 16 and it's a G, right, coordinate. I'm going to freeze it. Freezing meaning when I drag formula, this cell is not going to change. Okay, so when I drag down like this, what is changing? It's changing this rows, right? 16, 17, 18, 19, but G doesn't change, correct? It still goes by G. Therefore, I leave G alone, and in front of 16, I put $sign. That means I'm freezing, okay? If it would change the letter G, if it would change the color, and the change would go like this, then I would leave the row, because row doesn't change, and changing the column. So then I would freeze letter G. All right, so I did it. I click enter. All right, now I am grabbing this corner and dragging again. There we go, different story. Double click this. See, 8 and 22, click and enter. And here, double click 6 and 22. So we got it. So this is the decimal notation, but we need percentage, right? To do percentage, what I'm going to do, let me see if I can make it the way. So, all right, let's do this way. So I have to, if 0.3636, I am going to round it. So it's gonna be, okay, I'm going to round myself. So 363, it's gonna be about 36%, right? By times 100, decimal times 100, meaning 2 position. 100 has 2 zeros, moving to the right by 2 position. 363, also 36%. And this one, 272, it's going to be 27%. So 36, 36, 27. This is for male. Writing 36, 36, and 27. So how much is going to be total? Let me calculate total. I am going to my formula, okay, and click this. All right, click enter. I got 99%. Well, it should be 100%. This is matter of rounding, looks like. And I have no clue if they will, which one they will round, because we are off 1%. Here, 3, 6, after that coming 3, so I don't round higher. And 272. If I go, I think this one I can put, no, doesn't work like that. Okay. Well, most likely it's going to be wrong because I'm getting 99%. But at least we'll figure out, once they give me the answer, we'll figure out what they did. Did they count improperly? Because you can't count here any of them. If you count one of them, then you have to, if you round one of them, then you have to round all of them, and it will go behind the 100. And here I don't have any. If I come from this 6, this will become 4, and it's still 36. And 272, if I round from this 7, here will become 3 and still 27. Okay, I'm leaving like that, and most likely it should give me wrong, but at least we'll find out what they did, or they can be mistaken. All right, we'll find out. Now going to female gender. Okay, so here we total have 18. So I'm going to do the same way, equal sign, and then click on this 5 and divide it by 18. Since I don't want 18 move, because 18 is my total, all of them I have to divide by 18. And if I have to freeze the 18, because it will go down like this. Column won't change, but row it's gonna change. To freeze it, I am putting $sign. There we go. Got it? Now I'm moving. Okay. Now here I can round it because I have 277. So it will be 28%. Here will be also 28%. And this one, I think it also can be 45 because look here, see it's 4. No, 4 is not, I thought it's a little bit further. Okay, let's see how much is total. To find total, what I can do, either I can put the formula sum, or since this is also double click, see, it's total showing subtotal, right? I double click on this cell, clicking enter, and the same way grabbing this and moving this way. All right, this one I'm cleaning because we don't have any of those. Okay, and here I got 100, so here I got 100%. So evidently in this case it's gonna be, we'll see. So for female we are getting what, 28, 28, 44. I'm very curious what it's gonna say. Okay, so adding them up, 36 and 28, I can put here 36, 28, and the total sum is going to be formula auto sum, enter. I like to use Excel rather than calculator, because calculator sometimes keep in memory the numbers and coming out mess. So 64, this is gonna be 64. Okay, next 36, 28 also gonna be, oops, 64. This one also gonna be 64, and 27, 44. Let me put 27 here, 44. Okay, enter, and I get 71 this time. All right, now total it's gonna be, let me see, 64, 64, and 71. To make sure 71 also included, I'm double clicking. Okay, it includes all three. Enter. I got 199. Well, from here also grand total 99 plus 100, and here also 199. Let's see. I expected catch error. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going all 3 times. I want to see the answer. For male, it's getting 20%. How so? 8. Wait a minute. They want from overall total, not among male. Okay. They want overall total. I'll show you. Okay. I thought they want accounting among total, among males, computer among males, but they want from overall, which is 40. So every single number here, I have to divide by 40 from overall, and then we will get the answer. Let me see. I'm dividing by 40. Total is 40. Let me write down here 40. And once I click, percentage will change. Let me double check. 5 over 40. Okay. So still is not the same. No, it is. Female 12 and a half, 12 and a half. And the other one is 20, see? 0.2 is 20. Okay, you got it? So same way you're gonna do with male. Divide by 40, total amount 40, because there are cases that it wasn't clear. They want from 40 or because there are topics when they want among male or among female. All right. Okay, so make sure every single number you have here you divide by overall. Okay, now this one based here it is coming. Now it's coming what we did based on row, which means it should say based on among total males. All right, let me put here 18 back because it was total. Now we will get it right. So it's among female 28, 44, female 28, 44. So this is now we do what we did here. Okay? Which means we divide 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 8 by 18. Now for male, here, since I have 22, let's double check. We have here 22. Yes, 22. So here we get 36, 36, 27. 36, 36, 27. All right, and total it's gonna be, here we get 99. Okay. And the other one, we got 100, right? For female, when we add it, we got 100. Okay, now here, 36, 28. Okay, 50, 64. 64, 64, and here was 71. So in total, we got 199. Let's check. Okay, I have enough. I need to check. Here it is. I see. Okay. So we did everything correct. Yeah, they say here round to 1 decimal place. So we need to read carefully. If we would round to 1 decimal place, yes, we would get 100. That's why I was saying 99 is wrong. It can't accept 99. Okay. So then we would get, if I put the decimals, then I would get 100%. You understand, right? So read this 1 decimal. You have to round till 1 decimal not to get anything wrong. Now here we will do till 1 decimal. So let's see, we have males. Let's round male. Now I'm going to divide here by male. It says it's based on column percentage. Column percentage meaning 8 divided by 13, 5 by 13. So we're going to find out amount of marketing, percent of marketing between male and female total. Okay, so we have 13. So we need to get 8 by 13. This is 8. Here I am typing 13. So it's going to be equal sign 8 divided by 13. So since I have typed the number, I don't need to freeze anything. Okay, 60, it's gonna be 61.5. This is for amount of $61.5 for male. Now computer, how much computer we have here? 8. Also it's gonna be same way. 61.5. Okay, this one should be without mistake, so we now read carefully everything. Marketing is gonna be, well, the other way you can count easily since total has to be 100. Oh yeah, this is 61, 61. 13, 6 over 14. Okay, yeah, this is going to be 6 over 14. This is 6. So 6 divided by 14, 46.1. So let's write down 46.1. Okay. Now next one, we're gonna take, what do we have? 5 divided by 13. So to get it faster, okay. 5 divided by 13, where is my, here it is. 5 divided by 13 is 38 point, I put 38.5 because here I have 6, so round it will be 5, so 38.5. And since here also we have the same number 5, it's going to be 38.5. And this one, it's going to be 8 divided by 14. 8 divided by 14. And automatically here is change because it's a formula. Ah, see, I have here 13. I forgot. Maybe it would be better if I would put by 14 right this way. And 57.1. At this point, let me double check this 46.1 because I had there 13 here. 6 divided by 14. Okay. 6 dividing by 14, 42 point, well, here is 5. If I round 9, 42.9. Okay. And it's going to be okay. Now if I add them up, it's going to be 9, 10, 100 here. This one, it's also going to be 100. And this one is also going to be 100. So overall, it's going to be 100%. So this I believe this shouldn't be here, because we are dealing with the row with columns, and here we are dealing with rows. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this addition of by rows. It's going to be here 55%, 55, 45. Let me write down 55, 45. Okay, let's try. Fantastic. So question number 14, finally moving to next question. Percent of complaint. All right, so we need to find how many percent of complaint about Bank of America, debt collection, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to type these numbers. Let me add here. All right, so I have here 202, let me type here, 202, 486, 442, 75, 72. So to find a percentage of each the bank among overall, so first of all I have to find overall, right? So I have to click on this formula. I am on formula and click auto sum, right? And enter. It makes total 1277, and then taking formula, each one I have to divide by overall total. Now as I drag down, it's gonna move to for this one for be free, that's all right, because every time we need to take next number, but B10 cannot be changed. So, and if I drag down, it will become B10, B11, B12, B13. So B will stay the same, but 10 will change. Therefore, I am freezing this 10, so it won't change. Put the $sign and click enter. Now, once I drag it down, okay, we got it. Double check. See? 72 and that. Which means here we get how much? 0.158, 15.8. It says 2 decimals. Okay. 2 decimals, 15.82 I put, because this is 8, all rounding. 15.82. And then here will be 38.06, because be following 7, so round 6, 38.06. Next is the 34.61. 4.61. Okay. Then 5.87. Which bank is that? So little. Student loan. Of course, students don't care to go to complain. And other is 5.64 here. 5.64. All right, checking. Okay. So we learn to be more careful. What conclusion can you reach about complaints for the different categories? The category with most complaint is obviously it's debt collection, 38%. And the category with the second most complaint is mortgage, which together account for about how many percent? So debt collection 38.6 and mortgage 34.61. 7, 6. So decimal is coming. 7 the 67. Okay, and here 12, 6, 72, 67. Done. Round till nearest decimal of nearest integer. Gee, every time it's something new. So it's going to be 73. Got it. All right, nice work. Now, what is this one? Percentage of complaint for each company, but we did it already, no? Complaint for each category. Oh, those got by categories, and then here is by bank. So we are doing same way, guys. It's I need to move these numbers. Sorry, that's neighbor is working. And we can hear. You can survive, right? 42, 93. So practically you're gonna summarize here. I'll show just portion of it. 59, 59, 31, 31, 177. What else? 39, 41, 43, 168, and 77. Did we put everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, here we had complaints by companies. We could open and copy. Well, too late. I already typed it. So first we are getting the sum, formulas, and okay, we have here total 770, and then the same way, equal sign 42 divided by 770, which is D22, and D22 I can put here also dollar sign. Okay, and the rest I'm going just drag down and get all data, and we need to round all the way to 2 decimals. So first it's going to be 5.40, 5.40, since if I round it should be 46. I don't know if it's make mistake. If they catch as a mistake, that will be wrong, because look, 54, 54, 0.545. Here you have 5 round it, it's going to be 5, which means it's going to be here 6, right? So 5.46. Next, 12.08. 12.08. Next, 7.66. 66. What is here? 31. It's 4.03. 5.07, because 9 rounding here will be 5, and here it's going to be 7. 5.07. 5.33. 5.58. I'm almost sure it's going to be, it catches a mistake, because they don't look at the third digit, but that's wrong, I can assure you. So if it catch mistake, then you can, you don't look at the third digit to round it, but you need to know if the third digit is you round and the second one also become bigger number at the round up, then you have to count it. Okay, 58. I messed up, huh? 0. Yeah, I think I messed up. So 31 is 4.03. Okay, 177. 0.23. Okay. 2.23. National Nation Star Mortgage, which is 39, is 5.07. 41 is 5.33. 43 is 5.58. 168 is 21.82. And 77, 0. Not 0.10. Let's check it. I'm curious if it catch. Yeah, we check it now. See, 5 point, okay, I round it here, 5.4508, 66, for, why this one only? Oh, 2.23, maybe here I just messed up something. 507, so it's a rounding practically. Okay, so which means you don't round it. All right, next, what conclusion can you reach about complaints about different companies? The company with the most complaint is which one? 2299, Experian. And the company with the second most complaint is TransUnion. Together they make how much? Okay, we need to take, okay, this 2299 is their number. So 9 plus, let's do it, 2299. 99, 2182. So I'll type this way, equal this plus this, and 4481. The company with least complaint is Wells Fargo. And with second least complaint, no, 403, Ditech Financial. With the second least, so 403 and then 506, which is Nation Start. Where is it? Oh. And that makes Ditech Financial is 403, and that's gonna do 9.09. Let me see. Well, let's see. Third one. TransUnion. 45, 44, 81. Well, it's a matter of rounding, so pay attention, please. 9 and 9.09. They said here the nearest integer. Well, this is frustrating, I understand. In one question they ask a round till whole number, another round till two decimals. Just pay attention, please. I didn't. All right, question number 15. So this is going to be exactly same thing, percent of energy. What you're going to do, again, open in Excel, all this. Get the sum. Where is formulas? Sum. Okay. And divide. So you're going to do this divide by this. All right. And since 12, so we don't want it to move down. Okay. Well, you got decimals. And if you multiply by 100, meaning move by two position, 1 and 2, get 27. And what do they want? How many decimals? 1 decimals. 27 point here will be 5, but they, I guess, will guess 27.4. And so on. 1.5, 35.1. I would put 35.2, but it might catch mistake. All right. So since you have 3 attempts, I would recommend to round it. See if it doesn't accept it, catches a mistake, then don't round it, just put it the way it is and you will get it correct. All right, let me open the rest. Actually, I can open the answer. So 27.4, 1.5, 35.2, and so on. So it's correct. And the largest source of energy is which one? Natural gas. And then in the following question, determine the percent of energy. Okay, we did. Coal, natural gas, and nuclear, 3 of them. So I guess it will ask. First one, second one is coal, and third one is nuclear. Okay, moving to number 16. What do we have? Let me see. I need to do it myself so you can see. Form an ordered array given the following data n is equal 7. Okay, this is easy, but let me do it. It will open now here. So what we are doing, highlighting, and then we are going to where sort is, remember, on the home page. Here I am on the home page. Where is my sorting out? Here. Sorting out this from smallest to largest. Yes, here we go. We got it. And now once I answered, opening completion. Oh, it changed the number. Yeah, it did. Okay, let me do this one, the one that they got the answer. All right, highlighting. And again. And we got the answer. 66, 73, 82, blah, 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 and it's correct. I guess I'll leave the open to make it easy. Now, next one, number 17. So, data was collected on salaries of, let me clean this so I can use it. Highlighting and click delete button. Data was collected on salaries of companies of compliance specialists in corporate account firm. The salaries are from 64,000 excuse me 64,000 till 304,000. Okay, 64,000 till 304. Okay, let's see what we have to do. So indicate the class boundaries. All right, so to find the class boundaries, what do we need to do first? First, we need to find the range. Okay, question A. Let me go step by step. A. So if these values are grouped into into 6 classes interval, indicate the class boundaries. Okay, 6 classes. So to find the class width, this is class boundary 64 till 104. So we need to get class boundaries here. How we gonna do? We're gonna get first the range. I'm typing here. My caps lock is up. I delete it. Clean it. Range. Okay. How I'm going to find out the range? It's gonna be formula max M A maximum minus minimum M okay, which is gonna be, I'm going to do the formula. Equal sign, this is my maximum, and then minus my minimum, and I got the result. So 24,000. Now, class width, is equal range divided by amount of groups. Here it says 6, right? Here, 6 classes, right? So divided by number of classes. Okay, that is equal let me move this here. Okay, that is equal sign. My range is this one, and divided, my class amount of classes is 6. I just put 6. So I get 40,000. So 40,000 is going to be my class width. Okay, so what am I going to do here? Boundaries. I'm started with the smallest one, which is 64. Here I got 64,000. And from 64, I'm going to add, look here, equal sign, 64 plus this 4,000. And I'm getting how much? 104,000. Here we go, 104,000, 104,000. Okay, and then 104,000 I am adding again, equal sign, 104,000. I am adding the same 40,000. I am getting 144,000 here, 144, 144. Next, again, 144. Adding this 40,000 again. There we go. 184. And so on. Equal sign. This plus this. 224. So 184, 224, 264. Okay? We understand? We got that, right? So the class interval here, we got class interval, class width, it's a 40,000. Here is the answer. And what is the 6th class midpoint? How we gonna find out midpoint? Midpoint we can find out the following way. You have to add these two boundaries, 64 plus 104,000, and divide by 2. Let's see. Equal sign. So I'm putting parentheses, 64,000 plus 104,000, closing, and dividing by 2. I got 84,000. There we go. Then this one, the same way. So let me see. It's next one is gonna be in parentheses 104,000. Oh, what I did. So parentheses 104,000 plus 144,000 and divide by 2. And I got next 124,000. See? So beginning and end of the class, you add to each other and divide by 2, and you will get this result. So I think I'm done. 17. I think this is faster and I explain also. It should be clear for you. 18. What I'm going to do, stem and leaf. All right, let me do that. It's not difficult. Now, let me explain to you what for we needed all this calculation, class boundary, class width. So I want you to know that sometimes when our database is way too large, so we break down them. You can't work with each one of them, so we break down into classes based on characteristics or category or this and that pattern. Okay, and then explore the groups. So these classes we break into groups to would be easy for research. Now the stem and leaf, it's for another way. It's for researching small databases. Okay, based on stem and leaf, they put the graph of stem and leaf, and they can see where data are accumulated, where you have outliers. So how we gonna work it, stem and leaf? So first of all, what do we need to do? They want to find out stem and leaf. So first of all, we need to arrange in ascending order. All right, this is gonna be here, smallest to largest. I got it. Now 50, let's say, what is stem, what is leaf here? So 50 meaning 50 plus 0, right? 51 is a 50 plus 1, 61 is 60 plus 1, 71, 70 plus 1. So the first number 5, let's say in this one, first one, is 5 is a stem, 0 is a leaf. 51, 5 is a stem, 1 is a leaf. Let's look here. See? And because you have the same stem, 50, 50, 50, 3 of them, so you write here 5, and then leaves 0, 0, 1 here, 0, 0, 1. Next, with stem 6, you have only one number, so put 6 and 1 after this line, coming leaves. 70, there are 2 of them, 7 and 1 and 2, and so on. 8 has leaf 9, and stem 9 has leaf 0, and then 2 zeros, 0, 0. All right, that's all it is. And number 19, the last one. Okay, same way. So let's see. From an ordered array, give the four. Oh, we're getting backwards now. So it's gonna be, look, 51 here. And then 6, there is nothing in there. That means if there is no leaf, that stem itself cannot exist. Because if it would be 60, we would put 6, 0. But there is no 0 here. That means this 6 is missing here. So we skip it. 7, 0, 7, 0, 7, 7. Right? 7, 0, 7, 0, 7, 7. 8, 3, 8, 8. And 9, 4. And here you have answer. All right? Okie dokie, we have it, and see you in next homework.